Check it out, guys. It's Trevor James. I am deep in the mountains of Sichuan outside of Chengdu, China. Take a look at this, guys. Beautiful mountains, and I am super pumped to announce to you guys a new idea for the channel. Look at this. This new idea is bringing me back to life. I am gonna be taking you, today we're looking at 5 or 6 village houses in Sichuan, and I'm gonna make a full-on village cooking Sichuan channel, basically, for you guys. The new theme of this channel, I'm going to cooking school. 7 years ago when I was in Chengdu, living in Chengdu, I dropped out of cooking school, and it was something I always told myself, I'm gonna come back later, and I've been putting it off for years. Now I'm back. Here we are deep in the village. I'm gonna be studying Sichuan food and creating Sichuan food recipes for you in the village. Let's go look at these houses. Wow, here we are in the village.
In this video, I'm taking you on a village adventure through Sichuan, China, as I search for the perfect village home to start the new direction for this channel, where I'll be making tons of Chinese food recipes for you, where you'll learn the most authentic Chinese food straight from Sichuan, China. And once I find this village home, this channel is gonna be tons of Chinese food videos that I hope you're gonna enjoy. Let's just get right into the house hunting.
Okay, and we are just on the road looking for fangzi, looking for Nongtun fangzi. Wow, it's so beautiful here. We're gonna view 5 spots today. Here we are, looking for village house. This is amazing, guys. It's a dream come true. Tai Bangla. Wow, and look at this, guys, deep in the village. This is the first Nongtun house. Definitely needs some renovation, but I can picture it already. Look at this, here's the kitchen. Let's go take a look. It's definitely not been used in a while. Needs some renovation. But look, it's got the traditional style. Look, it's dark. Let's get that. Come on in here. It's got the traditional wooden, it's got the wooden walk. This is pretty cool. Look at that. And the air is fresh. We got 5 more to view. Definitely needs a cleanup here. Definitely needs a fixing up. But this is the first one. Amazing. Yeah, actually this one here, there is some land. I could plant chilies and cabbage. It's in a nice little, it's nestled into a nice little nook here with the mountains, and there's some neighbors. And Piaoliang. But we got a few more to see. This is a potential. This is the first one. This is potential. But I think there might be better. Going to look for more. Hi, Buto. Okay, back on the road. Kongxi Hanhao. Okay, next Nongtun fangzi. Let's take a look, guys. Wow, I can't believe we're doing this. Ooh, and Piaoliang. Wow. Here we are, guys. I can't believe I'm making a Food Ranger village cooking channel, Sichuan village channel. Let's take a look at this one. Wow, here we are. Ah, 还不错。那个厨房，这个吗？ let's take a look at the kitchen. Oh, 也有这个风格. Yeah. Okay. Old style. Okay, so looking pretty good, but I just want to see what it looks like from the air. We got a lot of houses to look. This one, let's see what it looks like. Yeah, pretty nice, but I think I want something a little bit more land. Back on the road, that one was just okay. Let's see what else we can get. Wow. Jigama. Look at this. Beautiful, actually. And Piaoliang. Actually pretty nice. Just needs a little renovation. 这个多少钱？1万，2个厨房。哦。Oh, look at this chufang. Look at this. Just needs a little renovation. It's got the light. Wow. It's very actually quite peaceful out here. The air is fresh. Hi, Butwa. Hi, Butwa. There's 2 kitchens actually. Let's take a look at the other one. 2个厨房。这里吗？哦，有水吗？
水
有电。
水电都通，然后地这后面是他们家的，前面也有。
哦，这个地可以种。Look, you can grow your own cabbage here. Actually, this is kind of cool. Okay, this one is actually pretty nice, guys. Look at this view. Let's take a look from the air. I'm tempted to. This one is pretty good. Let's see what it's like from the air. It's got a lot of land. It's got a lot of good land. Wow, look at that shot. Deep in the village, guys. That's deep Sichuan village life. This is actually pretty nice. Look at that, right in the mountains. Got a lot of land to plant veg. It just definitely needs some renovation. But I could picture cooking Sichuan food here for sure. Keeping the inspiration alive. Yeah, what do you guys think? The cooking angle here pretty good? Pretty satisfying to cook right here, right? Let me know in the comments below what you think. Wow, look at this. It's got a lot of land. It's got a lot of land you can grow veg on. I can picture so many different cooking ideas and cooking, making Sichuan food. Look at all the land you can plant. I can picture so many recipes. Growing chilies, growing, oh yeah. Wow. Come over here, take a look at this angle. Okay guys, actually this one I think has potential. Look at this. It's got all the land. I could literally set up a cook station here. It's got 2 kitchens. It just needs some renovation to make it nice. But I could literally grow chilies. I could grow, there's radish growing in here. I could grow corn and just keep the Sichuan energy pumped. Like study the recipes and then come out here and cook them and have a peaceful life. It's a new change for the channel. I'm really excited for this. This is like, I've been dreaming about this for years, to come back to Sichuan, to learn Sichuan food, and upgrading that dream with a village house, cooking in the village is just like, it's just getting that inspiration, that motivation alive in me again, like the beginning when I started this channel 10 years ago. But we got some more to look at, so let's keep going. This is a huge potential. Just needs a renovation. Okay guys, I got a good feeling about this one, right by the river. Oh, the air is so fresh. Wow, 空气很新鲜. Wow. Look at this house. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. 太美了. Look at this, guys. Could cook the Sichuan food right here. And then let's go see the kitchen. Oh, it's by a river. Right by a river. Chufang? Oh, Chufang 在这儿吗？可以看吗？ Okay, look at that, guys. It's so beautiful. I'm really feeling this one. Oh, 厨房在这里，很漂亮。Pretty nice. Can get some corn, yumi hanging up here, some lajao, decorate nicely. And look at all the land. Can grow our own veg here. And Pyongyang. And there's a river down there. Oh wow, look at this. Oh. 哦，这里可以换一个那个捞方式，
对，
那个拆那个刚才的一样的，
对，
刚才放。
它这就靠到这个溪水。
哇 ，look at this! There's a river right outside.
之前是没有这间房子，它
哦
修起了这间房。
哦哦，有了！ Wow! Look at this, guys. Got a little wood. Got a giant walk with the wood flame here. 啊，但是太暗了，怎么把阳光来了？换玻璃可以吗？可以。It's got its own river. Holy moly! I think this is the one. I think this might be it. Wow! Look at that. Oh, it's got its own pools. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look, guys, at what this one looks like. I got a great feeling about this one. Kitchen is nice. Kitchen is nice. Let's see what it looks like from the air. Got the cabbage station. There's radish as well. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm kind of leaning towards this one now. It's beautiful, deep in the mountains. And in the summer when the clouds clear and you can see the mountains in the back, it's gonna be gorgeous. Okay, we're back on the road looking at another place. It's really beautiful out here. And been looking all day. I think this is our 6th or 7th place now. And let's go see what it's like. Wow, beautiful. Wow, look at that. We are going deep into the bamboo forest. It's beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so this one, we gotta hike up the mountain to get to it, guys. It's gonna be awesome. What a dream come true. Sichuan Village Cooking Channel, the new evolution of Food Ranger. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like the idea? I'm pumped. I think that's the main thing. I'm really excited to do this because, oh wow, just look at these stairs going up. Oh, how? Because I just want to try something new, you know, traveling. I love traveling, but I want to take a new angle. Look at this, guys, beautiful village. We got the Taijiyo for the rapeseed oil flowers here. And this is the fangzi here. I think this is the Nongtun fangzi. Let's take a look. It's deep in the village. Wow. Wow, it's totally old style. Wow, in Pyongyang. Ooh, look at this. This could be my future Nongtun house here. Wow. Look at that. Look at that view. Wow, it's beautiful. There it is, guys, look at that. This is a beautiful village house. Let's take a look at the kitchen. And yeah, see how it is. Oh, the 厨房锁门了吗？没有。Oh yeah, 可以。Oh yeah. Oh, look at the kitchen. It's nice. Okay, yeah, let me know what you guys thought was the best one from the village houses that we took a look at today. For me, I'm sort of leaning towards either the cabbage one, deep in the hills. It's got a beautiful view. The only downside is that there's definitely a big need for a lot of renovations. Like it's gonna need a full clean and renovations. Or I'm leaning towards the one that's got the river and it's nice and clean, but it doesn't have the village feel, and I think I would be more inspired deep in the village with that other one. So let me know what you guys thought, and leave a comment down below what you think would be the best future village home to rent for Sichuan cooking village recipes channel. For this channel, the new direction of Food Ranger for the next little while. Thanks so much for watching, guys.